I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your Porsche 911 engine using a simple method. Many owners believe engine access is difficult, but for common tasks, it is quite straightforward. This easy approach saves you time and avoids complex procedures, allowing you to perform routine maintenance or inspections with confidence. We will cover the steps to quickly reach key components, making your Porsche ownership even more enjoyable. Before diving in, ensure your Porsche 911 is on a level surface and the engine has completely cooled down. Safety is paramount. You will only need a few basic tools, such as a standard screwdriver and a 10mm wrench, which are commonly found in most toolkits. Next, simply open the rear deck lid and secure it firmly in its fully open position, providing you with initial access to the engine bay. Now for the simple steps. First, locate the two airbox retaining screws, typically found on the top of the airbox, and remove them using your screwdriver. With the screws out, gently lift and disconnect the entire airbox assembly. This action immediately reveals the top of your engine, offering significantly improved visibility and working space. This method provides clear access to components like spark plugs, ignition coils, and drive belts for routine checks. Once your task is complete, carefully reattach the airbox assembly, ensuring all connections are secure and properly seated. Replace the two retaining screws and tighten them snugly, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage. This straightforward method saves you significant time and effort for many common maintenance tasks, proving that accessing your Porsche 911 engine does not have to be a daunting process. Enjoy your well-maintained vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.